Yo, what is going on, guys? This is Bearflame bringing you guys another one of my videos. So today, guys, I will be bringing you guys a simple 1x1 tutorial as requested by some of my friends on PS4 and Xbox. So guys, you guys want to practice your 1x1s just by placing a ramp and then a wall. Ramp and then a wall. And if you guys can get a hang of the ramp and wall, you then go into this ramp wall and make sure your guys' sensitivity is between a 5 and a 10, because if you're spinning like this building, you're gonna obviously get shot by people who build faster or have the high ground on you. So guys, while you're doing this, switch to wood. While you're doing this, place a ramp, wall, spin all the way around. You can also practice as a newer builder. Practice just spinning in a circle with all your walls. Spinning a circle, placing your walls, and then place your ramp. Spinning in a circle, placing your ramp, or your ramp, spin in a circle. And once you guys get that down, you guys can then go into this step. You place a floor, and all your walls. Oh, and all your rounds around you. You place your ramp, floor, and all your walls around you. I don't recommend going above 3 or 4 stories, because 4 stories you will already take like 18 to 19 fall damage depending on how high the 4th story is. So if it's like full on 4th story, I think you take 80. You'll have 80 damage or 80 health left after you fall, or 80. It depends on how high. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and comment any video ideas. I'm open to ideas right now. As well as subscribe if you guys did enjoy the content. And until next time, guys, peace out.